Hello, gentlemen. I am Rajkumar Soni. I welcome you all in my channel Military Academy. Gentlemen, in this part 2 of sentence improvement video of NDA 2020, we shall learn some 10 different varieties of questions. Those are very important for exam. And this video will also be helpful for all these officers level exam like SSC, Bank, PO, CDS, etc. and for lower level exam also. So description, sentence improvement, we all know it's the most difficult part of an English paper because not only you need to be sure of the error and then improve it with the correct knowledge of grammar, structure and usage of word, that is vocabulary. So no matter, we'll rock it. Let's start. So about me, I am an instructor of competitive English, academic English, group discussion and physical fitness. My career history from 2004 to 2019 Navy, teaching experience, I imparted instruction in the Navy too, and after retirement I am having my academy, military academy, which is in Balia, Uttar Pradesh. Viewers, why am I remarkable? Why am I making this video? I am an educator of an academy also. I have earned certificate for advanced English level C1, which is the second highest level of English proficiency, and I have upper immediate level certificate B2 from British Council, which is the third highest level of English proficiency. So let's come to the topic. You will be getting a direction like that. Improve the underlying part of a sentence with the correct alternative. In case there is no improvement required, then you can go for the option D, that is no improvement or no error. Okay. So first question, the doctor suggested me to take medicine on time. Okay, the doctor suggested me to take medicine on time. Viewers, the important thing is that whether after suggested we should use infinitive or not. So what do you mean by suggested? We all know that you are suggesting somebody. So suggest can be used in three different ways. Please listen me carefully. Suggest can be used in three different ways. Okay, three ways for identical meaning or similar meaning. First, suggest can be followed directly by a gerund or by a possessive adjective. So, suggest can be followed by directly by gerund or by possessive adjective, that is my or your, and plus this gerund. Okay. So, either suggest can directly be followed by a gerund or suggest can be followed by possessive adjective, that is my, your, his, etc. and plus gerund. Okay. So if you see, this is not possessive adjective. Okay. And moreover, it doesn't have gerund also. So the first question, this underlined part is having some error. Okay. So my first statement that suggest can be used in three different ways for identical or similar meaning. So first one is that suggest can be followed directly by a gerund or by a possessive adjective plus a gerund. Okay. Second, that suggest can be followed by a that clause also. We all know that a that clause is a clause that starts with conjunction that, and that should follow a subject, and followed by should, correct, and then followed by verb. So if you see the first rule, we don't have any option which is having suggested plus gerund. If you see suggested, no gerund. If you see suggested plus possessive adjective, no gerund. This is objective case of pronoun. Okay. So second option, that clause should follow by should, followed by suggested. So suggested followed by a that clause. That clause that clause is a clause which starts with a conjunction that, and this that should be followed by a subject and followed by should. So this option is the correct option. Okay. And there is one third option that this suggested can be followed by a WH word, and then that should be followed by infinitive. So that means he suggested where to go. It may be an example. So suggest may be followed by a question word, suggest followed by a question word followed by infinitive. So he suggested where to go because he were already aware. So Suggest can be followed by a WH word or question word and then followed by infinitive. If you see, suggest is here but there is no question word, okay, so this option is wrong. So the right option is option C, because suggest is followed by a that clause, and then that clause followed by a verb and followed by should. So the correct sentence will be, the doctor suggested that I should take medicine on time. Not so. The main thing is that suggested should not be followed directly by an infinitive. Please keep it in mind. Okay. Next question. My fellow traveler asked me if I had been familiar with the city. Okay. So if you see, this is an example of indirect speech. Okay. So let's convert it to, let's transform into direct speech, so that we'll have a clear picture. So if you see, my fellow traveler, fine, said to me, comma, if I had been familiar with the city, that he, are you familiar with the city? Okay, question mark. So this may be an the this may be an example of the direct speech of the same statement. This is indirect speech. So if you see, the my fellow traveler, okay, so if you change into indirect speech, then that indirect speech will be, my fellow traveler asked, because this is interrogative sentence, asked me followed by if, then this second person will change according to object, okay, then I, and then here it should be, this is past, so it will be changed into simple simple present into change into simple past. Okay, so if I was, and then this interrogative will change into affirmative sentence, whether the reported speech is in uh, even though the reported speech is in interrogative sentence. Okay, so if I was familiar with the city, getting my point. So this had been is an incorrect expression. The correct expression is was. So if I was, so option B is the correct answer. Okay, so this can be one of the tricks that you can adopt. Okay, whenever you are finding any indirect speech or a sentence in indirect speech, so directly change into direct, so that you will have a clear picture. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Next, BOSS. BOSS, you are aware, Bharat Operating System Solution. So it is an Indian Linux distribution developed, yes, by CDAC. CDAC is an organization of Indian government and is tailor-made to suit Indians' digital environment. So basically, this is an OS, Bharat Operating System Solution. So now Indian government and it has been developed by CDAC. So CDAC has developed BOSS, which is what? An Indian Linux distribution system. So there is difference between Windows and Linux. Okay, Windows and Linux. So this is more secure and this is customized. So what this statement is saying, that BOSS has been customized. Okay, and then it has been made. This is a customized form of Linux distribution. So let's come to the question. BOSS is an Indian Linux distribution developed by CDAC and is tailor-made to suit Indians' digital environment. Okay, so basically, tailor-made is incorrect here. Built cannot is built is also incorrect. Made is also incorrect. The correct option is customized. Customized means to modify something to suit a particular individual, a particular task. So this Bharat operating system solution has been customized by CDAC, okay, to suit Indians digital environment. Okay, so customize is the correct word here. Option B. Next, the Chingari app, which was in news a few days ago. The Chingari new app is a short video sharing platform derived by two Bangalore-based programmers, Viswatma Nayak and Siddhartha Gautam. Okay, so the Chingari app is a short video sharing platform derived by. Okay, if you see, derived means to get it out something from a fundamental thing. Okay, derive means to produce. So it is incorrect here. Instead of derived, you should not use invent, you should not use discovered, you should use develop. Yes, the Chingari app was developed by to Bangalore based, not derived, not invented, not discovered. Discover is which is something already existing in the world. Invented, now normally scientists invent, okay, in chemical this all this research and all. So the Chingari app is a short video sharing platform developed by To Bangalore, not derived. So B is the correct word here. Next, in the basic training of NDA cadets are trained to wake up earliest in the morning to attend morning roll call. Okay, so roll call. What do you mean by earliest? So earliest means that happening or done before the usual or expected time. Normally, you have in military, in basic training or in military itself, you have to wake up early. So what is the meaning of early? Early means that happening or done before the usual or expected time, because they feel that the day should start early, the day should start before normal people does than usual time. Okay, so basically in the basic training of NDA, cadets are trained to wake up earliest in the morning. It is incorrect, viewer. The correct word is not earlier, because you are not making comparison. See, this is superlative degree, this is comparative degree, and this is positive degree. Okay, so the correct word will be early in the morning. Normally we say, you know, we get up early in the morning. So we use positive degree to make normal statement, or if there is no comparison, even if you are making comparison, that comparison is positive. Positive in sense both are equal. Earlier we make this, we use this comparative degree when you are making comparison between two person, place or thing, and earliest when you are making a comparison between among a group. Okay, out of all. So we are not making any comparison here, we are simply making one statement. So to wake up early, early is the correct adverb here, in the morning. Okay, so B is the correct option. Next, students take online class during COVID-19. Fine. Instead of, they start playing games on their mobile. Okay, it is happening with many parents. Huh? You know, they are complaining that their students sit for online class and suddenly, you know, they just move in some other direction and they start playing games and all. Okay, so students take online class during COVID-19. Instead of, they start playing games on their mobile. See, let's see, instead of is incorrect here, but also they start playing games, no, but also is incorrect, and they start playing games on their mobile, no, this is not the intention. Okay, instead of taking class, they start playing games on their mobile. So this is the correct phrase here, that students take online class during COVID-19 and in full stop, instead of taking class, comma, okay, they start playing games on their mobile. So rather than taking classes, they go for the on this playing games on their mobile. So this is the correct option here, option C. Okay, this is incorrect. Instead of comma, they know, instead of what, instead of taking class. Okay, next, strict laws were passed so that this cruel custom was no more. Okay, strict laws were passed, fine, so that this cruel custom was no more. So normally no more is that it is used for some person, okay, that is not he's died. Okay, that person is no more, he is died. Okay, he's dead, something like that. Okay, so this is incorrect, no more is having error. Okay, what do you mean by wipe off? Wipe off means to clean something by rubbing. We normally wipe off our table, etc. Okay, I wiped off my baby after a cool bath. So normally cleaning by rubbing something. Okay, cleaning something by rubbing. Next, eradicate. Okay, eradicate means to destroy completely or end completely from the root. Like poverty eradication must be mainstreamed into the national policies. Okay, poverty should be, must be eradicated. So, and done away with, done away, do away, this is the this is past participle. Okay, so present is do away means put an into. So these both are related to put an into, that something something needs to be finished, okay, to end something. But eradicate is the correct word here, because eradicate means something, destroy something completely from its root. So strict laws were passed so that this cruel custom was eradicated. Option B is the correct answer, not wipe off, not done away with. Okay, next, the bus service is so good that one doesn't have to wait for a few minutes. Okay, doesn't have to wait for a few minutes. This is incorrect. Okay, since a few minutes incorrect, up to a few minutes incorrect, beyond a few minutes, yes, this is correct. Why? Because beyond means that happening or continuing after a specific time. So what is saying that bus service is so good that you don't have to wait beyond a few minutes. That's something, if you may have to wait for a few minutes but not more than a few minutes. So this is what is the context here. Okay, beyond a few minutes, beyond means happening or continuing after a specified time. Okay, you can say my I'm beyond of my imagination, something like that. Okay, my house is beyond that river. Okay, we normally say beyond means something happening or continuing after a specified time. Okay, so beyond is the correct phrase here, beyond a few minutes. Okay, next, I think that China's expansionism, which was in news, okay, they were trying to capture our land. Okay, China's expansionism, it was in news that they captured Bhutan land, Nepal land, etc., Tibet land. Okay, so that China's expansionism is not better to bring peace to the entire world. Very nice quote. Huh? So basically here, if you see, is not better, it's incorrect, because we are not, this comparative degree is used to make comparison between two, but we are not making any comparison here. Okay, here is only China is mentioned. So is not better, so it is incorrect, having error. Is not the good, no, doesn't make sense, the good, no. Is not better, incorrect, again comparative degree. Is not good, yes, option C. So I think that China's expansionism is not good to bring peace to the entire world. Option C. Next, colleges cannot add fuel to the fire to ragging because of the Anti-Ragging Act 2015. Okay, colleges cannot add fuel to the fire. If you see, it doesn't make any sense here. Adding fuel to the fire, it is a phrase of fuel that means cause a situation or conflict to become more intense. Normally we say don't add fuel to the fire. Okay, let me discuss privately and all. Okay, so normally adding fuel to the fire means to make a situation worse. So there is no relevance of this phrase here. Okay, it means this part is having error. Look forward, what do you mean by look forward? Means to wait eagerly. Okay, waiting for someone eagerly. So there is no context of no waiting here. Look into, that means examine, investigate. No matter of there no relevance of investigation. Turn a blind eye, yes, this is the correct phrase here. It is a phrase of I. Okay, so what do you mean by turn a blind eye? Turn a blind eye means pretend not to notice. Okay, so the moment when you put this here, colleges cannot pretend to notice to ragging because of the Anti-Ragging Act 2015. That means colleges cannot turn a blind eye to ragging because of the Anti-Ragging Act. It means the act has come, colleges has to restrict, colleges has to follow because of this act. Okay, you cannot turn a blind eye. Okay, you cannot neglect, you cannot ignore. Option C. So viewers, I hope that you like this video of sentence improvement, and if you like my video then please subscribe my channel, and if you have already subscribed then like, share and comment, so that to give me more energy, so that I would make more such wonderful videos, that will be very helpful in your preparation. Thank you so much for watching. Best wishes, get selected. Jai Hind.